Now we are loading the oil in the tank, which we load it here, and in the oil tank, the catalyst into the chamber, that catalyst chamber. It's all same at 304. So we are going to turn the process coming up. You can see the both will come separately in the mixing tank now, and we're going to mix it. Mixing, we're doing some testing, so the mixing is going, and it's almost the esterification process is completed. Trans esterification process is completed. We take this kind of crude used cooking oil, and after the process we just put it for just a sample. You can see that separation of glycerin in the bottom and the biodiesel in the top. This is what, and now we are going to filter it, and you can see the pure diesel color. And see the color change which is there, and also this is the biodiesel which is coming, and this is the glycerin which is there. You can see the glycerin on the bottom. So the upper is the biodiesel and the down is the glycerin. For our testing, we have the final diesel, the clear transparent diesel. You can see it's a clear transparent one. It's a fully transparent diesel. You can now, this is very clean.